Welcome back to Boosting Muscle. I am out here in my Q60 at the car wash. I need to get it clean. Then I'm going to Best Buy, pick up a little microphone and see if I can try to get some better sound and show you the best sounding VR30 bar none. It is a mix of my MBRP exhaust and a custom muffler, or mufflers rather. But anyway, it's the best. It's no contest, not even close. Let me get this car dry.
The results are in. That ceramic. It's worth every penny. Fixed rates are a must.
Back in the car, and it is blazing hot. It's like 115 out here, something crazy. You hear that? You hear that? It's bomb, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. And now it's time to go pick up the what do you call that thing? The microphone from Best Buy. See if we can get any better quality audio. And smash face. Y'all a quick update on what happened yesterday. Got the mic, the cable it came with won't allow it to work with my phone, so bought a new cable from Amazon. That should be here today, so I'll be having yet another update on what the sound is like when with the proper mic. So yeah, I'm sorry, man. I've been trying to work out on my patio out here, so I'm a little sweaty and it's like already 100 degrees at 10 a.m. But yeah, man, stay tuned. I have I have the lower down pipes I need to go ahead and install on my Infiniti. I have the 6-speed swap I need to do in my Impala. If you guys somehow didn't know, I have the LS swapped Impala SS as well. So I have all that coming. What else? Oh yeah, so this is the first time I've ever really been forward facing on any camera, and definitely the first time on my channel. So yeah, it has been quite the adjustment, trying to get used to not looking at myself on the screen. But my arm is already getting a little tired, just trying to hold this phone up. No matter how much muscle you get, believe me, your shoulders. But anyway, yeah, like, subscribe, have lots of new stuff coming. I appreciate everybody that's been here with me so far as I learn and continue to get better with editing and all that comes with it. I appreciate you guys being on the journey with me, even when I wasn't putting out consistent content. But yeah, like, subscribe, stay healthy. It's the pandemic. There's no excuse. Get it. Peace out.